Hi, and welcome to Dollars and Cents Online. My name is Ashley, and today is day 9 of Dealmas. Yay! So today I want to talk to you guys about something that is very important and is a great tool in this day and age, especially around this time of year. And that is the security camera by Ring. Ring offers the security camera where when someone is on your porch, it has motion detection. And if someone comes on your porch or within a certain area that you can specify, your camera will pick up that motion, and it will also ring your smartphone if you have the Ring app on your phone, and you will be able to see what is going on within the field of the camera on the Ring device. And I just feel like this is something very important to share with people right now because it is the holiday season. Last year I was home around this time of year and I heard some people talking outside in my yard, and it was two guys, and one guy was saying something like, "Man, come on." And I look out my window and I see two guys in my yard. Looks like they're trying to run across my yard to go behind my home, which is a big field, and you can access other areas of the neighborhood from that big field. So they were running across. They had clothes and shoes in their arms and hands. One guy had dropped a shoe. He was leaning down to pick it up. When he leaned down to pick it up, he didn't realize he dropped the other one. But the guy was like, "Come on, you gonna get us caught," or something like that. And he said, "I gotta get this shoe." And he picked it up and they continued to run off. Nothing ever materialized that I heard of about anybody's house getting broken into, but it just really seems like that would probably be what was going on, because these people had shoes and clothes all in their hand, running across people's yards and telling each other to come on, hurry up. So something like this Ring camera would have been very good, because I could have had video footage to be able to provide to the authorities and things like that. And you know, if somebody's Christmas was stolen, maybe they could have retrieved those items or gotten reimbursed, or justice could have been served to the people who took their items. But anyway, I digress. Just trying to give a story on one of the reasons why I feel like it's important. There's a lot of commotion that goes on in your yard that you don't even know about, and this could let you know about some things that could help with your security. Now, the reason why this website is part of the Dealmas series is because you have the ability to be able to earn one of these for free. But before I get into that, let's just go ahead and look at the site and learn some more about the product. So it says, "This is the season that delivers. You can save up to 20% on bundles. Security starts at your door, and you can view all of the video doorbells that they have available. Protection at every corner. They have security cameras. You can see all of those. New, they have a whole home security Ring alarm. You can look at that. You can see accessories for your Ring items. They have a stick-up cam where they say you can stick it up, inside, or out. And you can also finance your Ring through a firm. And for the holidays, they have 0% APR financing. You can also get crime alerts from your neighbors when you download the Neighbors app. And you can get it right here, or you can download it from the Google Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device. And you will need a smartphone in order to be able to use Ring. So since we're talking about the security camera, I want to go ahead and look at the video doorbells. It says $30 off a Ring video doorbell 2 plus free shipping. Buy now for stress-free holiday delivery. And like I was saying before, a lot happens at your front door that you don't even know about, trust me. But you can know about it with one of the Ring video doorbells. So they have the first video doorbell that came out. They have Video Doorbell 2, Video Doorbell Pro, and Video Doorbell Elite. So you can answer the door and check in on home at any time from anywhere, whether you're in the backyard or halfway around the world. Peace of mind is always at your fingertips. You can also communicate with the people that are at your door. They can't see you, but you can see them, but they can hear you. It says it detects motion when people come to your property. You receive notifications on your phone, tablet, or PC. You can see, hear, and speak to visitors in real time from anywhere. There's a Ring for every home. Multiple power options and color combinations mean there's a video doorbell that works for your home, and compatibility with Alexa, iOS, Android, and Mac devices means any video doorbell will work for you. You're able to see the different ones. It has HD video, two-way talk, motion activated notifications, and is weather resistant. They're allowing you to see the power of Ring in action. You can stop crime in its tracks. So the reason why I say it's very important as well during the holiday season, because if you're taking advantage of all the deals I'm mentioning in Dilmas, you know that your packages get delivered at your door. Sometimes you're not there. Sometimes they don't ring the doorbell. They just drop the packages, and they're susceptible to theft. People go around with the sole purpose of stealing packages. And right now they're most likely checking mailboxes as well. So you can catch them on camera, and it will be saved to the cloud for you to be able to provide this information to whoever you need to provide it to. You have some testimonials. They say there's a 50% reduction in home burglaries, an extra layer of protection. Record, review, and share your videos with Ring Protect plans. You enjoy a free 30-day trial of our Ring Protect plan. Get video recording and sharing for $3 a month after your trial. Upgrade to a Ring Protect Plus plan to cover unlimited doorbells and cameras for only $10 a month. Now, where it's talking about the 30-day trial is where the video that it captures is actually recorded and stored in the cloud. After that trial, then stored in the cloud, and you can also share it. But after that trial, then it will be $3 a month, or you can pay $30 for the year, I do believe it is, to keep whatever is recorded saved in the cloud. And they show you how all their different devices can be used in tandem to help you feel more secure at home. So you can add smart security inside and out. You select a device to learn more. So you have the video doorbell. Security starts at the front door. So see who's there and answer the door from anywhere with a video doorbell. The stick-up cam they have sitting in an office. They say watch over what's important and check in on home at any time with stick-up cam, our first indoor-outdoor cam. The floodlight cam is above the garage door in this diagram. It says replace outdated floodlights with smart security to shine lights and capture video whenever motion is detected. And that would have been so useful several years ago when I lived out of town, but I still had a home in town, but was hardly there. And people in the neighborhood knew that. So one day I came home and somebody had broken into the house through the garage, which had a floodlight that came on when there was motion, but it didn't have a camera. So they knew that the house was way off of the street. If the light came on, it was surrounded by trees and woods. Nobody would see it or probably even be looking. So they did what they did. It would have been nice if I would have had a camera, because I would have been able to catch them and provide that to the police when I came home and noticed that the house had been burglarized. Spotlight cam, it adds security anywhere you need it with convenient cams featuring lights, siren, and 4 different power options. The alarm kit allows you to get smart about whole home security and receive notifications when doors or windows open and motion is detected. So it's, like your regular alarm system. Chime Pro extends your Wi-Fi network for a more reliable connection and allows you to receive ring notifications in any room of your home. Now you can see more specs about the different doorbells that they offer. The video doorbell is $100. It comes in 2 different colors. It has an internal battery, 720p HD, adjustable motion detection. That's what I was telling you. You can set it up to where it picks up motion in certain areas. It takes approximately 5 minutes to install. Video doorbell 2 is $170 with a $30 off, normally $200. It comes in the same 2 colors. It has a removable battery, and you can get the footage in 1080p HD. It also has the adjustable motion detection and takes approximately 5 minutes to install. The Video Doorbell Pro, though, is $250. It comes in 4 colors. It's hardwired, so no batteries. You still get that high definition in 1080p. You can customize the motion detection a little bit further than you can the first 2 doorbells, and it takes about 15 minutes to install that one. The Video Doorbell Elite is $500. It comes in the same 4 colors as the Pro, and it has power over Ethernet. You still get that high quality HD video footage, and you can customize the motion detection, and it'll take you about an hour to install that one. If you still have trouble deciding which one you want, you can get started by selecting your type of home, apartment, or house. They have answers to frequently asked questions, such as what's the difference between the different devices. It touches on whether the videos are saved, like I was telling you before. So let's look into that a little bit, because I know that is a question. If you have a Ring Protect plan, videos captured by your doorbell will be saved to your Ring account for up to 60 days. So what I was saying before, it'll save them. It'll be for 60 days. You can review them at any time. All Ring doorbells come with a 30-day free trial of this plan, but after 30 days you can choose to purchase a Ring Protect plan to continue to save your videos. If you are saving your videos, you can share them with anyone, including neighbors, friends, family, and local law enforcement. And it goes in more depth about the Ring Protection plan as well, because there are two different versions of the Ring Protect plan, the basic and the plus. The basic allows all of those features for individual Ring doorbells and cameras. The plus plan also comes with 24/7 professional monitoring with cellular backup for Ring alarm and more. And that plan is going to be $10 a month per home versus the $3 per month for the basic plan. But I want to go back up and say, for me, I live in a duplex. So I will go to apartment. It says, does my apartment have existing doorbell wires? Yes, it does. Does your apartment also have Ethernet cables at the install location? Yes, it does. So they recommend the Video Doorbell Elite. You can go ahead and click buy now from there, or you can go back up here and see some of the features that they highlighted about it as well. I'm going to go ahead and go to buy now. If I get the Affirm financing, I can get it for as low as $42 a month at 0% APR. This is the $500 doorbell. I'm positive I don't have to get this one, but this is just the one that they're recommending because it's going to do the job that I need, and it's also going to get them the most money, of course. So I also want to share that the video does pick up well at night because it does have night vision, and that's with all of the cameras. The size of the one that they recommended to me is 4 by 2 by 2 inches. It comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and theft protection. My natural question was, okay, if I'm trying to pick up people who may be doing things that I don't want them to do, like stealing, how am I going to prevent them from stealing the Ring doorbell? Well, if they do, you do have a warranty on it. You have theft protection, so you can be at ease about that concern. It does come with the mounting hardware, a screwdriver, user manual. For this one, a 50-foot Ethernet cable, low voltage bracket, and of course the actual doorbell. And now what I want to do is actually show you video footage that people in my quote-unquote neighborhood or in the vicinity of where I live have shared video footage of incidents at their home. Okay, so what I'm showing you now is the Neighbors app, and the Neighbors app is a new neighborhood watch that brings your community together to help create safer neighborhoods with real-time and safety alerts from your neighbors, law enforcement, and the Ring team. The Neighbors app proactively keeps you in the know. And this is how it does it. This is a neighborhood watch list. It says at the top, this person was last spotted, that's not 1 minute ago, that's 1 month ago, about 1 month ago, 4.6 miles away from me, stealing packages. You can even see the car she got out of. It says I can see details on 436 crimes reported by law enforcement in my neighborhood last week. 5 days ago, 4.3 miles away from me, somebody said there was a van driving on their private property. They were asking if anybody knew the company for this van. You can see the video quality here, the sound. So I think it's worth the investment. The person who posted it put their comment there, and then people could respond. Somebody said they are landscapers for a lot of properties on the south side, and they can continue with their conversation. 5 days ago, 4.1 miles away, somebody posted a video saying someone was getting in mailboxes. There was a suspicious person in this area. Let's watch this video. Really? What is she doing? Really, lady? Wow. Is this a front or a back door? Seems like she's at somebody's back door, but I guess maybe this is the front door. I want to see the comments. Someone said the same thing I said, which was, wow. Good, don't open your door. You should have called the police because I don't believe her. Let's see what she ended up saying. Wow. Okay.
We're here testing your water in your area, and I was wondering if I could have a sample of your water out of your kitchen sink, please.
What? That doesn't even sound right.
What'd you say? Ma'am, I can't hear you very well. Who are you with? I am with, Water Awareness Program.
You gotta look to see who you with.
Stop. You're with who? I'm sorry. Water Awareness Program. Okay, what are you needing? Just a sample of your water from your kitchen sink. Okay, can you come back during the daytime?
Right. What time is it?
We have, I don't know. It's about the times that we usually come places.
What?
Okay, well, I'm sorry. I'm not coming out at night. I'm sorry. Okay, thank you for your time, though. Thank you. Have a lovely night. You too.
Girl, stop the madness. Do you hear me? That was crazy. Okay. So this person says this was the weirdest video on their ring. Absolutely sure it's a gunshot. So I guess you saw a light flash or something. Last week somebody had planters stolen from their porch. Looks like the same video as earlier. Somebody said I have no clue who these two are or why they decided to lord her for a few minutes. What are you wanting? Like, I have people ring my doorbell, and if nobody has let me know that they're coming, I don't answer. So this is just crazy. Like, but I have people ring my doorbell all the time. Anyway, that video is kind of long, but you can get the gist of what is available here. So now let me get to how you can earn one of these for free. Now that you know the importance of it and the quality that you will receive by getting it, you can invite people to download this Neighborhoods app. And when they do, both of you will get $10 towards anything you want to buy on the Ring website. So go down in the description box and click the link to download this free Neighborhood app so that you can start off with $10 toward any Ring device. Then all you have to do is click invite friends and share it, or click the invite neighbors button and share it that way. I could go on about these line of products even further, but I've already taken enough of you guys' time. I really do hope that you enjoyed this video though and understand how valuable that these products can be. This video is not sponsored, but I am somebody who constantly tries to remain aware of my surroundings and my security. Oftentimes we get relaxed, we're on the phone, we're doing this, we're doing that, and we're not paying attention to what's going on around us, and there are people that are out here to do malicious things. And I think that this device could help deter a lot of that, or if it doesn't deter it, it can help you in the end if you need to let the authorities know anything. Hopefully nothing does happen, but if it does, you can be prepared. Well, I hope that you found this video informative. Once again, my name is Ashley. You've been watching Dollars and Cents Online, and I will see you all in the next Stillman's video.